Hey yo, welcome to my channel. Where's the hype? Hype me up. Okay, today I'm bringing to you the spring makeup look. The eyes are giving green, fresh vibes over here. So without saying too much, let's get right into the video. But before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Subscribe, click on it. 90% of y'all that watch my videos, you're not subscribed. And why? It's in me. Am I doing something wrong? Did I do something wrong? I don't think so. If I did, let me know in the comment section. And I would change. Maybe. I would change. Honestly, I would reply to your comments. So comment down below if there's anything wrong with my channel you want me to improve on. Yeah, comment down below, but click on the subscription button right now, sis. Click. Yeah, I'm seeing you, and if you don't click it, I'm going to haunt you in your dreams for the rest of your life. Yeah, so let's get right into it. To start off, I'm gonna grab my vitamin C or syrup. Helps for anti-aging and it also helps to brighten my skin. I love to apply this before before my primer. So I'm just gonna rub this all on my skin, and you can see like it's instantly brightens your skin. Olive oil. I really love olive oil. I use it all the time on my skin. It has a lot of benefits. I just love applying it on my skin. So I just take a little on my arm. I'm just gonna push it into my skin like that. I'm gonna use my primer. I'm using the Micolor one. It's a brightening primer. It's water-based. So I said it's water-based. It's, oh my god, it's waterproof base, so I'm just gonna pump that on. I think that's enough. Use my hands to just apply that in. So I'll just let this sit on my face before I go in with my foundation. And for foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend that all in. Make sure your beauty blender is damp. That way it doesn't absorb the product. It's more like presses in the product in your skin. So use a damp sponge. If you haven't tried it, try it, and trust me, it's a game changer. I'm using the LA Girls concealer, so I'm just gonna squeeze that out on my arm, and I'm going to use this blending brush. These days I don't really like applying the concealer and leaving it there. I just use this brush. I tap a little on my arms. I use this brush to blend and dab it on into my skin. So I'm going in with a very light shade, quite lighter than mine, and I'm going to apply this right here in my inner corners, and I'm gonna blend that out. And then I'll go in with my normal concealer shade, and I'm squeezing that out on my arms like I did, and I'm just gonna blend that upwards to give me that snatch and lifted look. Because as you can see, my face is oval in shape, like very round, and I like to look snatched, so I'm gonna go up to give me that snatched look. Then I go downwards closer to my nose area. I take the remaining products from that same brush, and I'm just gonna tap that on my eyelid just to brighten my eyes. Then I drag that downwards on my lips. I'm not taking any excess product. I'm just using what's left on the brush to like blend all out. Dragging it onto my inner corners, the inner corners of my lips, because I do have like dark spots and dark areas there, and I like to like brighten that area. Right here on my chin, I'm just gonna use what's left on the brush. Same thing for my other eye. I'm gonna tap what's left on this brush on my forehead to contour my sides and my nose. I mix two different dark shades together. You want to like go upwards, not like smudging it all over your plate, all over the place. Why did that come out so wrong? The way I contour is I blend it like this. My face looks very round, so that way it makes my face look smaller and slimmer. And I'm gonna drag that on the sides, then upwards, right here and here as well. I forgot to do this eye. Oh my god! Like I forgot to do this eye. Like how did that happen? So I'm gonna use a sponge to blend everything in. Honestly, I don't know how I forgot to do that eye. Like I'm gonna use my red lipstick as my blush. And I'm just gonna drag that out upwards on my cheekbone, a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna blend everything in. To set my face, I'm using a white setting powder. I've never tried white setting powder before. It's my first time. Let's see how it goes. And if it goes wrong, I'm still gonna put out this video so we can laugh over it. And yeah, I'm scared. But we'll trust the process. Trust the process. Oh wow, wow, that's nice. Wow, I really did. I didn't expect this to turn out well. I've seen a lot of girls using white powder to set. I don't know. I've always been scared. I never wanted to try it. Honestly, it's not that bad. I'm gonna use this setting palette. It's also an highlighter palette. It does like different highlighters, and I'm gonna mix like this two shade. I'm gonna dust off the excess. I'm just gonna use that to set places that I didn't set with. And right now I'm gonna set my face with my Kiss Beauty green tea setting spray. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera because nobody wants to watch me do my brows. So to do my eyeshadow, I'm gonna grab my eyeshadow palette. This is Only Beauty Perfect Eyeshadow Colors. It comes in 25 beautiful, beautiful colors. When I saw this palette, I was like, yes, give me this. It has so many shimmers, like you can see them. Like I'm gonna be using this green shade right here, and I'm just gonna dip right into it, this right here, and I'm gonna start like blending that out on my crease. Really love this green, like it's so pretty, like oh my god. Shimmer shade, this one, rest that all on my lid. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Wow. To diffuse this shade, I'm gonna use this brown right here. I'm blending that over my crease. And I'm using the Kiss Beauty eyeliner to line my lids. So I'll do the same thing here. It's kind of hard to talk while I do my liner, so I don't like to talk. But you get the jerk. It's a smooth straight liner. Yeah, so I did my lashes off camera, and I'm gonna smoke underneath my eyes with the green eye. Use this shade, this one here and this one. I'm gonna mix both of them together and use that to contour my nose. I'm gonna use that to bronze. I'm using this palette from Who's That Girl. This, and this together. Dab, 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 dab. Dust off excess. My nose as well. This highlighter shade. This very shade right here. Some right here. I love a very outlined lip. I'm gonna use this first, then I'll go in with a normal brown shade. Now I'm taking this my nude lipstick shade, and I'm taking my clear lip gloss, and I'm going to smack this all over my lips. I'm gonna set my face first. After it dries off, I'm gonna apply mascara underneath my eyes. The reason why I didn't apply the mascara first is because I noticed whenever I did that, it's always like I always have like those black spots here, and I didn't want that today. I wanted this look to be clean and neat. When I come back, I'll show you guys the reveal. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section, and I will be sure to make a video for y'all. So yeah, love y'all, bye.